Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to restore removed Messenger messages. Simply follow these steps and you'll learn how it's done. Open Facebook app on your phone and log into your Facebook account. Click on the three lines icon at the upper right. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Now go down and click on Download Your Information. Click on Deselect All and select Messages so that only your messages would be included in this file. Scroll down and click on Create File. Facebook will start generating your messages backup file. Once it is ready for download, just download it to your phone and you will be able to find removed Messenger messages there. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to restore removed Messenger messages. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.